Hello everyone, welcome to Wild Woodland Lavender Farm. Today is the 7th day of my June on the Farm series, and it is June 9. And today has been a pretty busy day for me, so it's actually the evening time before I'm actually able to get out in the garden to plant some things. So I wanted to get something done today though, and I thought one of the easiest things I could do is get some of my tomatoes planted. So today I'm going to be planting the Hungarian heart, and that's, oh dear, I've lost it already. Yeah, the Hungarian heart tomato. I got it. And this is a paste tomato, and it's supposedly a fairly large paste tomato. And with the tomatoes kind of being heart-shaped, but kind of oblong like that. So we're going to give this paste tomato a try. Last year I did a lot of San Marzanos and then just some Amish paste or aromas. So we're going to give these a try this year and see how they do for me. I have 12 of them that came up. Actually a few more, but some of them didn't survive. So I'm going to go ahead and get these planted. I also have here some super sweet 100s that I bought at the store. And these I'm gonna try to plant if I have time, but I want to actually plant some of these over by the fence to our backyard so that they can be right there for people to snack on, since they're a nice small cherry tomato that are sweet. Hopefully it will encourage some boys of mine to actually try tomatoes and enjoy them. So we'll put them so they're accessible for people to just grab and snack on. Okay, so I'm going to plant the Hungarian heart tomatoes here in this area, where right here I have the onions, the potatoes, all the things that I've been planting in here. The peanuts are right over here. So they're gonna go right in this area. I'm just gonna plant the tomatoes today. I will eventually need to get some cages for them, but I might need to make some. We have some fencing that we're gonna be making some of our own tomato cages out of, but that'll be another day. Today it's just going to be planting the tomatoes. So here we go. Check out the root system on this. It's huge.
Hey.
You're walking all over my onions.
Bruno, wait. Try that. Bruno, try that.
They're like, you're kidding me, right?
You never listen to me. Tomatoes?
It's been a busy day.
Yeah, me too. I didn't do any of my records at all today.
Oh dear.
I know, it's terrible. I'm doing one of my cassette tapes. So I don't have to wash that.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. Hey guys, let's go somewhere else.
Yeah. Good luck. Okay, my husband has come out to mow around the pumpkin squash, so I just wanted to end this real quick here while we're in this area anyway. Some of the other seeds have popped up. This one has lost its top leaves, so it's not really doing much, but here we have another one that's popped up, so we'll see what it does, and maybe in a few weeks I'll be planting that one. But that's it for the Hungarian ox heart. I think so it is. Hungarian ox heart tomatoes. So I'm gonna go find a place to put these and show you some things that are popping up. Okay, so I found one spot that I'm going to plant one of these Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes, and that's in this old washer here that's been turned into a raised bed of sorts. And it's right next to the honeysuckles, and oh, it smells so good right here, right now. So I thought this would be a good place. It's right in our backyard, and you know, hopefully I can just envision the tomato dropping down the sides here, maybe put up a cage too so it can grow up, and it'll just be a good snacking point come out and grab a few handfuls of these tomatoes and enjoy them. So first I got to clean out, there's a whole bunch of chickweed in here, so got to clear that out first. My other honeysuckle plant here doesn't seem to be doing too well. It's got a lot of yellowish leaves here and the blossoms are not doing well at all, so I don't know what happened there. But this other one here is just gorgeous. Here we go. You can see these are already starting to produce some some tomatoes here. And they're starting to look pretty yellow. And that's a sign that they're root bound and they're ready for some more nutrients and more room to spread their roots. So let's get these a new home. They're pretty root bound there. I'm going to plant this pretty deep because it's got this long stem here. I can plant it pretty deep and then all of this will send out new roots and help it get stronger.